They're calling out any potential other people inside the room. Rendering aid. Oh, man. Look at the door. What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. Now I do these videos where I walk in blindly to a brand new situation every single day. Blindly, I've never seen it. Just because I believe that's the best way for you to get a glimpse into how the cop brain is working. Because everyone wants to know, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that question and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Midwest Safety. SWAT team tracks down wanted predator. Never seen it. Here we go.
On August 1st, 2024, deputies with the Frederick County Sheriff's Office in Maryland were dispatched to the Super 8 Motel in an attempt to locate 45-year-old Jack Edgar Primmer of Freedom, Pennsylvania. Primmer was wanted on a felony warrant out of Beaver County, Pennsylvania for child sexual assault, abuse, and possession of child pornography. Deputies located Primmer's vehicle in the parking lot, confirmed which room he was in, and moved in.
I'm just going to say it. I have no patience, no respect, nothing for predators like that. And I think they should go to a very special place, aside from prison and jail. A very special place, if you know what I mean.
In for the arrest. Unknown to officers at the time, Primmer was armed with a loaded gun.
Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office, come to the door!
Bro, move away. Oh, okay.
What do you want? We need to talk to you. About what? You know what? Open the door. Now!
I'll tell you right now, I got a gun.
Yeah, back up.
So do we. Open the door with your hands up. Now!
Hopefully this is less lethal because he's kind of pointing it right in the direction of this other cop. So.
Now!
This is a massive crossfire issue. Because if this guy comes out with a gun, they're going to start spraying right towards the direction of this cop. So they need to all get on one side.
He's talking those dudes at the door. He's claiming to have the 1032.
No, open the door now. We'll figure that out. Come out now. Open the door. Hey. Yeah, come closer. Get behind over there. Open the door. Come now. Hey, get less lethal. You got your camera on?
Mr. Primmer, open the door!
Now!
It's best to have one person yelling commands at this time just to eliminate confusion.
Come out with your hands up. We don't want anybody to get hurt. Mr. Primmer! It's time to open the door!
Jared, you got hands?
Hands just means effect the arrest.
I'm moving over there.
Yeah, smart.
All right.
Now we don't have a crossfire issue.
Come out now. Come out now. You know you have a warrant. Come out now. Right now. You have a warrant. You're under arrest. Come out right now. Open the door and come out now.
With your hands up, slowly. Yeah, for now.
Sir, this is not a game.
Primmer, we're not going anywhere. Let's end this peacefully.
Lots of times you'll see people try to extend the inevitable. Like, the cops aren't going to go anywhere. So just come out, and that's how things run the most smooth.
Through the next hour, officers held their position and waited for heavy armor, additional units, and for SWAT teams to take over. Officers then took up firing positions, ensuring that Primmer could not escape from his window. What happened next took everyone by surprise.
Did he? Oh my gosh. Oh.
Hold on. Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop it!
Oh shit.
Drop it!
A second angle from a hotel security camera captured a better view of what appeared to be the suspect brandishing a handgun.
Yep. Sir, I thought you were getting dressed. The Super 8's like, oh my gosh, I'm so tired of this happening.
Drop the gun! All right, gun's out in the hallway. Come out now!
There still could be another gun.
All right, we're not. Let the dust settle.
Gun in there.
Hang on.
Hopefully they warned the rest of the people staying here
Hang on, buddy. Yeah.
and got them
I
out.
don't know. Anyone else here? What did you?
Just come on, man. I'm not dangerous.
He's out. He's back in his room. All right.
You had a
We're not doing that.
gun.
Keep your hands in the air. Hands in the air. Get your mask. Get in here. Get your mask. Hands in the air.
Yeah, they're coughing on the likely CS gas that they threw.
That's all right. That's all right. Don't move. All right, listen. He's down over there. We need to move up in hands. Okay. Who's got hands? We're moving up.
Hands just means who's going to affect the arrest.
Whoever's got hands. Mendez, come out. We're coming. Do not move. Don't move. We need moving hands forward. With gloves. Hands with gloves. Do not move. I have one glove. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. It's a pellet gun. Okay. All right.
Get him in costume.
All right. Turn. Gotta get in cuffs. I got. Turn him out.
I can't move.
Move it. Move it. All right, hang on.
Start EMS.
Get him out to the room.
Stairwell. Police stairwell. We're good. Stairwell. All right, you're good. You're good. You're good.
They're doing a really good job communicating with each other.
For this room.
I got you. Going good.
Forget sheriff's office. Need a room. Make yourself known.
Not a tourniquet. Gonna need
They're calling out any potential other people inside the room.
Here's your arms right here.
Rendering aid. Oh man. Look at the door. Why would you come out with a gun? I don't care if it's a pellet gun.
We need to check the other side too.
The dumbest shit ever.
What about the other side? We need to check the other side too.
Does anybody have more gauze? EMS is coming. I don't see any. They're coming up. Here, give me.
Shot in the stomach. In your stomach? He says he's hitting the stomach somewhere.
I see a hole there. Where?
One hole here in the stomach.
This?
Right no,
that's not.
Right where you just touched.
That's not a hole. That's. Oh yeah, it is. It is a hole.
One there, one in there. I think one underneath the armpit, maybe right there.
It could be exit or. I don't
Damn,
know.
so they got him a few times.
In your foot? He's got something in his
foot. He said his
tourniquet on a leg.
The handgun that Primmer brandished turned out to be a Crossman SNR 357, which is designed to shoot BBs or pellets. According to a press release put out by the Frederick County Sheriff's Office, Primmer was transported to the University of Maryland Shock Trauma Unit in Baltimore by Maryland State Police helicopter, where he was stabilized and survived his wounds. According to Maryland court documents, Primmer was extradited to Pennsylvania on August 27, 2024. Pennsylvania court documents reveal that Primmer faces 31 felony counts of child sex abuse by photographing a sex act, 230 felony counts of child pornography, 1 count of criminal use of a communication facility, and a misdemeanor count of corruption of minors. He also faces a second case stemming from previous criminal acts allegedly committed in 2021, which involve a laundry list of felonies including 2 counts of involuntary, deviant sexual intercourse of a person less than 16 years of age, 2 counts of rape threat of forcible compulsion, 2 counts of sexual assault, aggravated indecent assault of a minor, statutory sexual assault of a child 8 to 11 years
Fuck
old,
this guy.
unlawful sexual contact with a minor, 2 counts of corruption of minors, 2 counts of rape of an unconscious victim,
Oh my
and 51
God.
counts of indecent assault of a person less than 13 years of age.
Yeah, fuck this
Primmer
guy.
also faces a 3rd trial, where he was charged with 15 felony counts of child pornography and a single felony count of criminal use of a communication facility, stemming from alleged crimes committed in 2017. As of March 3rd, a hearing was scheduled for April 1st, 2025 to consolidate all cases for trial. Midwest Safety independently verified that Jack Primmer is currently being held at Beaver County Jail awaiting trial. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Now there's
I hope he's in pain. I'm just gonna say it bluntly. I hope he's in a lot of pain from those shots. Like I said in the beginning, I have no respect whatsoever for people like that. This guy is a terrible human being, and he deserves to go someplace very, very special. But unfortunately, we're a civilized society, and that's just not probable. I don't know how you could defend him, but if for whatever reason you think that he deserves defending, let me know down below. I'd love to get into it. What a terrible human being. The cops did phenomenal, A+. They did a great job communicating with one another. This is real sketchy when you're in these hallways. They call them the death funnel. In the beginning, massive crossfire issue, but they quickly recognized that and stacked up on one another. Wow. What a terrible piece of shit. Also, if you're involved in stuff like that, you should immediately turn yourself in, because eventually you will get caught, because the police have resources to see what you're doing online. So keep that in mind. Even the dark web, you can't hide. Trust me. Trust me. I've seen it all play out. I've seen those investigations play out, baby. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful job to get this piece of garbage off the street. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you for tomorrow's video. I'm going to see the Minecraft movie today. I'll let you know how it goes. Bye. Have a good weekend. Have a good rest of your weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow being Sunday. Bye.